Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Maxwell Render Hot Tips, the show where you see the stuff in Maxwell Render that might otherwise pass you by. My name is James Conwell and I'm the Maxwell Render mentor at the University of Brighton Centre for Design Technology. In today's episode I'll be looking at how to collimate light, so you can work with it a little bit easier and customise it to your requirements. Let me introduce the scene I'll be working with today. My basic setup is these two boxes. They are 1 meter cubed, and at the back of the boxes I've got an emitter, which is producing light out of the front as you might expect. In this box on the right, I've simply got these baffles around the emitter to control the light. However, in the box on the left, I've got a lot more baffles. And what these are doing are collimating the light. That means that they are roughly making the light rays parallel, because they are stopping light rays from travelling too far off course. This effect is best shown with a demonstration. So I'm going to spin round my objects and enable another plane which I have here. And here you can see the effect that collimating the light is having. I should point out, of course, that these emitters are equal strength. In fact, they're exactly the same emitter material. Now, the uncollimated softbox, which is now on the left, appears to be producing a much brighter light on the plane. And the collimated light on the right seems to be darker, but you can already see that the light is restricted to a very small area compared to the one on the left. But now, if I select the plane and move it backwards, now if we look at the light, the uncollimated light has spread out so far that it's now almost not visible. And the collimated light hasn't spread out as far as the uncollimated, so it appears much brighter. Collimated light is used an awful lot in studios, where you need an area light which is semi-directional. In other words, it won't spread out too far. And this is exactly the kind of photographic technique which we need to bring into Maxwell Render to really make it work. Now, this technique could be applied to almost any render engine, but the physical workflow of Maxwell Render makes it especially suited to this kind of technique. So that's your Maxwell Render hot tip for today: how to make a collimated softbox using lots and lots of planes to try and make the light parallel, and the effect that that has on your scene. If you'd like to have one-on-one training with Maxwell Render at the University of Brighton, email me at maxwellrenderbrightoncdt@gmail.com or tweet me at jcoleman_design. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you again soon.